Let's see fifth part. Here we have 3 raised to power 7 upon 3 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 3. So first we will use a law in the denominator. Base are same and multiply is there, then we will add the power. So it will be 3 raised to power 4 plus 3, that is 3 raised to power 7 upon 3 raised to power 7. Now we will use this law. Divide is there, so we will subtract the powers. It is 3 raised to power 0 and which is equal to 1. In sixth part, it is 2 raised to power 0 plus 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power 0. So we know that a power 0, that is always equal to 1. A raised to power 0, it is always equal to 1. So 2 raised to power 0, it is 1. 3 raised to power is also 1. 4 raised to power also 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is equal to 3. Now 2 raised to power 0 into 3 raised to power 0 into 4 raised to power 0. So here 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 3 raised to power 0 is also 1. 4 raised to power 0 is also 1. Now if we multiply 1 by 1 and then 1, so it is equal to 1. In eighth part we have 3 raised to power 0 plus 2 raised to power 0 multiply 5 raised to power 0. So 3 raised to power 0, it is 1 plus 2 raised to power 0, it is also 1. 1 plus 1 multiply 5 raised to power 0, it is also 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 1, it is equal to 2. Let's see ninth part. 2 raised to power 8 multiply a raised to power 5 upon 4 raised to power 3 into a raised to power 3. So here first we will write this 4 as 2 raised to power 2. So it is 2 raised to power 8 into a raised to power 5 upon 2 raised to power 2 of power 3 and multiply a raised to power 3. Now use the law here. 2 raised to power 8 upon 2 raised to power 2 into 3. Power of power, multiply the powers. And here use the law. If divide is there, base are same, then we will subtract the powers. Now it is 2 raised to power 8 upon 2 raised to power 3 to the 6. Multiply, this is a raised to power 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Now use the law on this. So 2 raised to power 8 minus 6. We'll subtract the powers, multiply a raised to power 2. So answer is 2 raised to power 2 multiply a raised to power 2. Or also it can be written as 2a raised to power 2. We will use the law again here. If a power m multiply b power m. If your base are different but exponents are same, then to multiply, we will multiply the base first, then we will take the power. So here it can be written as 2 multiply a, that is 2a raised to power 2. In 10th part, it is given a raised to power 5 upon a raised to power 3 multiply a raised to power 8. So first we will solve this bracket, and to solve it, here a raised to power 5 divide by a raised to power 3. So we will subtract the powers to solve it. It will be a raised to power 5 minus 3 multiply a raised to power 8, which is equal to a raised to power 2 into a raised to power 8. Now we will use the law again. Here multiply is there, so we will add the powers. It is a raised to power 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10. So answer is a raised to power 10. In 11th part, we have 4 raised to power 5 into a raised to power 8 into b raised to power 3 upon 4 raised to power 5 into a raised to power 5 into b raised to power 2. To solve it, we will use the law here. First 4 raised to power 5 upon 4 raised to power 5. Subtract the powers. 5 minus 5. Same as here. A raised to power 8 minus 5. Base are same. Divide is there. Then we will subtract the power. B raised to power 3 minus 2. So it is equal to 4 raised to power 0 into a raised to power 3 into b raised to power 1. 4 raised to power 4 raised to power 0, that is 1. Multiply a raised to power 3 into b raised to power 1. So 1 into a raised to power 3, it will be a raised to power 3 into b. So this is the answer of 11th part. Let's see 12th part. 2 raised to power 3 into 2 and then of power 2. So first we will solve it. 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 1. Nothing, that is equal to 1. Now use the law. Base are same. Then we will add the powers. If multiply, then we will add the powers. And this is 2. Now it is 2 raised to power 4 of power 2. Use the law. If power of power, multiply the powers. So answer is 2 raised to power 4 into 2, that is 8. 2 raised to power 8. So this was the solution of question number 2.